Photograph. Beautiful. Hold up.
You're not a copper,
Right, turn your head this way. Right, now turn your head to me. Turn your head to me.
Two, three, four. Can't wait to wake up in the morning. I can't wait to feel the sunshine rays. I can't wait.
Am I a copper? No, I'm bloody not.
Day we don't display death and mourning. Can't wait to feel the sun again. I can't wait to come in from the rain. I can't wait to rid the world of pain like a storm it came.
Let's get your picture, mate.
Why not, sir?
Had some fun. Hold up, slow down. Don't go. I'm waiting people in the background are still there. Hold up. Thank you, man.
But we see the future's carting. I'll hold you with me tomorrow. I don't care if you don't know my name. The time you're holding won't remain in tomorrow's day. There's no sorrow.
How you doing, man? See ya.
Probably, but
Come on
my
in.
hair's different.
This have you beautiful. Well done.
On or off?
Now glasses off. That's it. Look this way. Glasses off, down like this. That's it. Beautiful. Let's get. Hold up. Get close. You do the kiss again.
Forget the past, you live too fast. The day is new, make it for you.
Thank you.
Why dream so blindly narrow? Why think about yesterday when you haven't seen tomorrow? Won't you let me in your room? All I know is how I left so soon.
What about this beautiful lady? Can I get your picture? So when you get a portrait here in this light, I'll show you. Show you my.
¿Quieres que le saquemos una foto a eso o eso nosotros?
Take a photo of you?
No, you.
Ah, a mí no.
Look, I'll show you. No. I'll send you it. You take a picture of.
You
That's mine. So take a picture and I'll send it. Honestly, just here in this light. Just here. See this light? Beautiful. So just here. Perfect. Beautiful. Hold that. And then eyes to me. No. So like this. Hold up. So like this, and then eyes to me. That's it. Like that. No. That's it. One more. One more. But eyes to the camera, okay? So you look this way. And then eyes to the camera, that's it, beautiful.
Just close my eyes feel open, I won't lie before we try. I won't let this ship sail away. I know I'll find you again on the off chance coming.